Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic present tenses in English. Introduction to present tenses. Present tenses describe actions happening now, habitual actions and actions in the future. Examples: I am speaking now. She eats breakfast daily. We will meet tomorrow. Simple present tense. The simple present tense is used to describe actions that are regular, habitual, or facts that are generally true in the present. Here are some examples. I eat breakfast every morning. She works at a library. They live in New York. The earth revolves around the sun. We play soccer on Saturday. He watches TV in the evening. The store opens at 9 a.m. Cats chase mice. In these examples, the simple present tense is used to convey actions that happen regularly. Example: I eat breakfast every morning. Are facts that are generally true. For example, the earth revolves around the sun. Present continuous tense. The present continuous tense is used to describe actions that are happening right now or around the current time. It's also used to describe ongoing or temporary actions. Here are some examples. I am writing a letter. She is studying for her exams. They are playing soccer in the park. He is reading a book. We are having dinner at the restaurant tonight. It is raining outside. The dog is barking loudly. I am not feeling well today. I am recording a voice. In these examples, the present continuous tenses is used to indicate actions or situations that are occurring at the present moment or during the current period. Present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to express actions or events that have a connection to a present, often emphasizing the result or the fact that the actions was completed at some point in the past. Here are some examples. I have finished my homework. She has visited Paris several times. They have just moved to a new house. He has never been to a concert. We have eaten at that restaurant before. The company has released a new product. I have known her since childhood. He has already seen that movie. In these examples, the present perfect tense is used to convey actions or experiences that have relevance to the present, even though they occur at some time in the past. It often includes words like have or has, followed by the past participle of the verb. Present perfect continuous tense. The present perfect continuous tense is used to describe actions or events that started in the past and have continued up to the present moment, emphasizing the duration or the ongoing nature of the actions. Here are some examples. I have been studying for 2 hours. She has been working at the company since last year. They have been playing basketball all afternoon. He has been practicing the guitar for weeks. We have been waiting for the bus for 30 minutes. It has been raining since this morning. The dog has been barking all night. I have been feeling tired lately. In these examples, the present perfect continuous tense is used to convey actions or situations that started in the past and are still ongoing or have just been completed. It's typically include have been or has been followed by the present participle, the ing form of the verb. I hope this presentation has helped you understand the importance of using present tenses in English presentations. Thank you for listening. Thank you for choosing Roshni Vidina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.